Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
Yeah, this is a Toyota Tundra. This guy's got it all decked out with the lift kit. Pretty nice truck. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the linker unit that we installed. To disarm it, you're gonna hit unlock. Unlocks the doors, turns off the alarm. Okay, tells you the doors are unlocked. I'm gonna go ahead and lock it. Arms the alarm. It's going to tell you the door's unlocked now. Remote start. Starts the truck. This is the voltage of the battery in the actual vehicle. It's got a 12.9. Okay, this is the signal strength of the unit that's installed inside the vehicle. It will start giving you the countdown in a few seconds. It's programmed for 10 minutes, so it will start going 10 minutes going backwards. To track the vehicle, see, it gives you the countdown there. To track the vehicle, you're going to hit the little arrow on the bottom, and then it will tell you the location where the vehicle's at. You can change it over to satellite image. Pretty cool. And then to turn it off, if you wish to turn it off, you can hit stop the engine, and that will disable it. You can program the picture of your vehicle. When you download the app, you set up the year and make and model, and it will throw the picture, and you can even select the color of the truck. It comes with the remote controls. You can arm the system, unlock the system. Remote start, you can just press it and it'll remote start the truck. Obviously, it doesn't have electric trunk. As far as the alert for your phone, when you arm it, if somebody breaks your window or they try to bust out the keyhole here, the alarm will fire off. Should be able to get the notice. All right, arm it is here, disarm it is here. Remote start, you press it one time, it'll remote start the truck. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Basically what you do is once you remote start the truck, you're gonna get in, turn the key in ignition all the way forward, push the foot on the brake, and then you can take off with the truck. If somebody jumps in for any reason and they press the foot on the brake, that will turn off the truck, so you don't have to worry about somebody taking off with your vehicle. This alarm was installed here in this Toyota Tundra by Auto Alarm Specialist. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.